Once upon a time, there was a lovely family named the Thompsons who decided to embark on a much-needed vacation in Orlando, Florida. The Thompsons consisted of Mr. and Mrs. Thompson, their 2 children, Emily and Michael. Excited to explore the wonders of Orlando, the Thompsons arrived at their hotel, which happened to be conveniently located near Disney Springs. Unbeknownst to them, Disney Springs was a vibrant and enchanting entertainment district that offered a unique experience to visitors. The next day, the Thompsons set out on their adventure, unaware of what awaited them. They decided to take a leisurely stroll after a delicious breakfast and stumbled upon the entrance of Disney Springs. Mesmerized by the cheerful atmosphere and captivating ambience, they were instantly drawn to the enchanting place. As they stepped inside, they were greeted by a delightful sight. The streets were lined with colorful buildings adorned with twinkling lights, and the air was filled with the tantalizing aromas of various cuisines. The sounds of laughter and joyful music enveloped the area, creating a magical atmosphere. The family couldn't contain their excitement as they began exploring the different sections of Disney Springs. They marveled at the vast array of shops, boutiques, and souvenir stores. Mrs. Thompson found herself captivated by the exquisite jewelry and unique trinkets, while Mr. Thompson couldn't resist the allure of the sporting goods and gadget shops. Emily and Michael were overjoyed to discover the toy stores, where they could find their favorite characters and toys from movies they loved. They eagerly browsed through the shelves, carefully selecting their newfound treasures. As they continued their exploration, the Thompsons discovered a myriad of delectable dining options. The tantalizing scent of freshly baked pastries drew them to a charming bakery, where they indulged in mouth-watering treats. They then stumbled upon a restaurant that served their favorite cuisine, and they couldn't resist having a delicious lunch together. Time seemed to fly by as the Thompsons immersed themselves in the magic of Disney Springs. They laughed, made memories, and experienced a sense of wonder that only such a place could evoke. As the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the surroundings, they knew they had stumbled upon something truly special. Reluctantly, the Thompsons bid farewell to Disney Springs, knowing that their visit had come to an end. As they made their way back to the hotel, they couldn't stop talking about the incredible surprise they had stumbled upon and how it had enriched their vacation. From that day forward, whenever the Thompsons reminisced about their Orlando trip, they fondly remembered the day they stumbled upon Disney Springs. It became a cherished memory, a testament to the joy of unexpected surprises and the beauty of exploring new places. Welcome, fellow travelers, to the Life Vibe Travel. I'm thrilled to have you join me today on an exciting walking tour adventure. Today, we are at Disney Springs, located in the heart of Orlando, Florida. Disney Springs is a popular entertainment and shopping district located at the Walt Disney World Resort. It offers a variety of dining, shopping, and entertainment experiences for visitors of all ages. Formerly known as Downtown Disney, Disney Springs underwent a major redevelopment and expansion in recent years. It is home to numerous shops, including Disney-themed stores like World of Disney, as well as popular brands like Sephora, Uniqlo, and Lego. There are also several dining options, ranging from quick-service counters to fine dining restaurants. Some notable dining establishments include the Boathouse, Morimoto Asia, and Raglan Road Irish Pub. Overall, Disney Springs provides a lively and vibrant atmosphere where visitors can enjoy a wide range of activities and experiences, making it a popular destination for locals and tourists alike. Also, please make sure to hit that like button below and subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our upcoming adventures and virtual tours of incredible places. Thank you and enjoy the video.
What is it that you think you want to buy now? So send me a picture. I got eyes on somebody who may be the one.
Yes, that's why I took the picture. I said, thank you so much.
go with this company?
And that concludes our delightful walking tour of Disney Springs, Florida. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual journey through the enchanting sights and sounds of this magical town center. Whether you're seeking a fun-filled day of shopping, a memorable dining experience, or simply a place to soak in the magical atmosphere, Disney Springs has it all. Its whimsical charm and attention to detail make it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring the wonders of Orlando, Florida. We hope this virtual tour has ignited your curiosity and inspired you to embark on your own adventure to Disney Springs. So, grab your family, friends, and set forth to create your own cherished memories in this captivating place. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you soon, whether it's in person at Disney Springs or on another virtual exploration of a remarkable destination. Until then, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep embracing the magic of travel. If you found this tour captivating and it sparked your wanderlust, make sure to hit that like button below and subscribe to our channel, and join us on our next extraordinary adventure. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our upcoming adventures and virtual tours of incredible places. Don't forget to leave your comments and suggestions down below. We love hearing from fellow travelers like you and discovering new destinations to feature on our channel. Thank you and have a good day.